Hello friends, welcome to MDCZ. In this video, I will review and explain WandaVision episode 9, the most awaited season finale of WandaVision. I'll discuss some essential details from this episode and explain to you what will happen next. I'll explain how it might gonna connect to the Doctor Strange Multiverse of Madness movie. So watch this video till the end. But before we start this video, let me tell you guys this video is available in 3 different languages: English, Hindi and Marathi. The other 2 video links are mentioned in the description below, so if you want then you can check it out, or you can just visit the MDCZ channel playlist section. I categorized all the videos according to the languages and content type. It will be very effortless for you to watch channel content in your preferred language. If you don't wanna miss out on such daily Marvel and DC Universe related videos, then hit the subscribe button of the MDCZ channel and press the bell icon. Now without wasting your time, let's start this video. So guys, finally, the most awaited season finale of WandaVision has been released, and frankly speaking, the whole series was damn good. It might be disappointing for some fans, but it was an outstanding series. If you didn't watch the last episode of WandaVision yet, then please go and watch it. Now, let me explain to you some essential details from the WandaVision finale episode. In the beginning, Agatha provoked Wanda so Wanda will attack her. And as we already saw in episode 7, Agatha absorbs the powers from witches. She wanted to absorb all of Wanda's powers to become the strongest and most powerful witch. That was her main intention. Wanda attacked her to save Billy and Tommy. Then the kids went inside home and the main battle begins. White Vision also entered to kill Wanda and Vision because he was programmed like that. White Vision attacked Wanda, but Red Vision came and rescued her by attacking White Vision. Forget about all the Ultron theories now, because White Vision is our main vision, just Vision's program was modified by Hayward. My guess was wrong about Pietro here. Agatha did control him using a magical necklace object. He is just a regular guy like others whose name is Ralph Bonham. Agatha just used him. The funny part is, I think this is the Ralph that Agatha was referring to as her husband. We can understand that he is having memories of men Quicksilver, but what about his powers? That's the confusing part. Maybe he got these powers just like Monica, and Agatha used that to mess with Wanda. Monica released him from Agatha's control. On the other side, Hayward held Jimmy Woo as a prisoner. He weaponized Vision. He got what he wanted for so long, and now he was trying to eliminate all the proofs, means Wanda and Vision. Jimmy Woo smartly stole his phone and contacted his friend Cliff from Quantico and asked them to come within an hour so he could expose Hayward and his evil plans. Then, in the center of the city, Agatha started explaining to Wanda about her prowess in front of all people of Westview. She kept told her that Wanda has lots of power but very less knowledge. Then Agatha introduced Darkhold book to Wanda and even told her that her powers are powerful than Sorcerer Supreme. We know who it is. It's Doctor Strange. Then Agatha released everyone from Wanda's mind control. They came to Wanda and explained to her how sad and tortured they feel. Now Wanda realized that it was wrong, so he opened the hex and asked them to leave. She was trying to help them, but when the hex started falling apart, Vision and her kids started disappearing because they were made by this chaos magic. So if hex falls apart, Vision and those kids will also be gone. Wanda closed the barriers because she didn't want to lose her family. But when the barriers were opened, Hayward and his team entered inside the hex. The military force arrived to attack Wanda. Red Vision went off to fight with White Vision. Wanda told her boys to deal with the military and she went to fight Agatha. Billy mind controlled all the military forces and Tommy stole their weapons. Hayward started firing against them, but Monica arrived and saved them. Also, Billy stopped a bullet with his powers. Then Hayward used an army truck to attack them, but Darcy came and crashed the bus to that army truck. Then Red Vision and White Vision stopped fighting and started discussing what was actually happening there. White Vision is still the original Vision, just his memories, his data was kept hidden from him and manipulated his program to use him as a weapon. When Red Vision explained this, White Vision realized that. Red Vision helped White Vision to restore all his old memories. After that, White Vision went off. In Infinity War, Avengers planned to remove the Mind Stone without destroying Vision's body because they believed that Vision would survive. If they successfully executed that plan before, then they would have the same vision just like this White Vision. Agatha offered Wanda to help Wanda fix her reality in exchange for Wanda's all powers. In the beginning, we thought Wanda agreed to that, but Wanda smartly tracked Agatha by using Rune's spell. She absorbed all her powers, including Agatha's powers, and that's why she inherited her true Scarlet Witch form. And later, as a punishment, Wanda changed Agatha into the same lousy neighbor. Then, Wanda started removing her spell. Because of that, Hex started reducing barrier and making everything right just like before. She had her emotional goodbye moment with both of her children and Vision. Wanda also said that this vision was just the combination of her memory, a peace of mind stone she had inside her, wires, blood, bone and love. After that, when Hex was gone, Wanda went to Monica and apologized to Monica for what she did. In the mid-credit scene, Hayward got arrested. Monica met with a Skrull agent that Nick Fury sent to Monica when he realized Monica was grounded. He wanted to meet Monica in space. You may think about why that person can't be Talos. Talos is on Earth by taking Nick Fury's position and Nick Fury is in space right now. That's why the person that Skrull agent were talking about is Nick Fury. In post-credit scene, Wanda started living her life far from civilization. As we all know, she has more powers than Sorcerer Supreme and now she activated all her Scarlet Witch powers. Agatha kept telling her about how less knowledge she had, which triggers Wanda. So Wanda used her Scarlet Witch astral form where she started learning the entire Book of Damned, means the Darkhold book. While learning everything from that book, she heard the voice of her children who were begging for the help. And here season finale of WandaVision ends. Now let's talk about the children's. There are two possibilities. First, as we all know, Wanda's children were known as shards of Mephisto, so there's a chance that after Hex fall apart, those souls went back to directly Mephisto as it is. That means there's a possibility that they were trapped in Mephisto's hell realm. Or the second possibility is, while reading the Darkhold, Scarlet Witch finds out about how she could bring those kids back in reality. In both cases, the Scarlet Witch will do something to bring those kids back. Either going by herself, she might cause trouble in multiverse and then Doctor Strange will help Wanda to solve those issues and save her boys. Or Wanda will directly ask Doctor Strange to help her to bring her children back. Agatha told Wanda that she did a horrible thing by activating her true self. I think she was talking about some big villain here, who might be Chthon or maybe someone else. One thing is for sure that whoever that villain is will definitely gonna appear in Doctor Strange Multiverse of Madness, and at the end of Doctor Strange movie, Wanda will retrieve her sons. Also, Vision is back now. After retrieving all his memories, White Vision will soon be back in the MCU projects. There is a possibility that at one point Wanda's entire family will reunite. That's all I have on WandaVision finale. This series is really fabulous, but the rating for this series is definitely gonna decrease. The reason behind it was MCU's false hype creation and overhyped WandaVision. This raises fans' hopes and busted all the hopes with the disappointing finale. For me it was awesome, but for some fans it's definitely gonna be disappointing. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to hit like and share this with other Marvel fans. If you don't wanna miss out on such daily Marvel and DC Universe related videos, then hit the subscribe button of MDCZ channel and press the bell icon. Now, I'll see you in the next video. Till then, do whatever you want to do guys, just be safe, don't hurt anyone and be happy.